Hey everyone! This heavyweight champion of sandwiches rose up from the streets of Philadelphia to become a worldwide favorite in the sandwich world. And in this video, we're going to make it in the air fryer. Before we start, here's a little history on the Philly cheesesteak. According to Visit Philly website, the Philly cheesesteak was invented in 1930 in Philadelphia when Pat Olivieri, a hot dog vendor, threw beef onto his grill to make himself a sandwich. A passing cab driver asked one too, and soon Pat had a following and the Philly cheesesteak was born. In Philly, a cheesesteak is traditionally consumed with either provolone, cheese whiz, or American cheese, and with or without fried onions, and served on a long sandwich roll. So for this version, we're going to go traditional, and we're going to use only meat, onions, and cheese. This is what you'll need for about 2 large or 4 medium sandwiches. About 400 grams or 14 ounces of thinly sliced ribeye or sirloin beef, 1 large or 2 medium onions chopped, some long sandwich rolls, about 60 to 80 grams or 3 to 4 slices of American, provolone, cheddar cheese, or any sandwich cheese, or of course, cheese whiz, and olive oil. First, we'll cook up the onions, so skip the step if you don't want them in your sandwich. Drizzle the chopped onions with olive oil and coat them well. Evenly spread the onions in the air fryer. Cook at 205 Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes, mixing the onions at around 2 to 3 minutes. In the meantime, make sure the meat is cut up into small pieces and season with salt and pepper or whatever you prefer. Remove the onions and place in a bowl. Put in the meat and evenly space it out. Cook at 205 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit at 7 minutes. Open the basket after 3 minutes and mix up the meat to cook evenly and repeat that again after 2 minutes. After those 7 minutes are up, we will add the onions to the mix as a layer on top of the meat and let that cook for about 2 minutes, mixing them all together halfway through. After that, we open it up and mix again, and then add the cheese. This time we cook it at a slightly lower temperature of 190 degrees Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit for 2 minutes. When that finishes, open up the air fryer, mix in all the cheese with the meat and onions. You can then scoop it up and throw the lovely mix of meat, onions, and cheese onto your sandwich rolls. And you're done. Hope you enjoy this video and you're able to make some great Philly cheesesteaks. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please click the like button and also consider subscribing. I've got a bunch of content in the works, so if you want to be notified of anything new that I put up, click on the bell notification button as well. See you soon.